guys, look what I just found.
I touched him.
Stop We literally just found a baby bird.
Stop it. He needs help.
I know that. Right next to the We're gonna try and bring
I'ma
it
go
back
get
to life
him.
with
I'm gonna go get him.
It's okay, buddy. We're gonna help you, okay? Don't die, please. All right. It's alive. Please don't die. Please don't die on me, please. I don't want you to die, please. Look at the bird. I wonder what species it is. Look at that. A little culprit. Flying away. Guilty. No, stop. I think you can't eat bread right now. So I think it's just a little fetus.
Please.
Where's babe? Love, where's dad?
He's so weak.
No, he's alive. Look, you're in good hands. Should I just pick him up? What if he bites me though?
Doesn't look like I care.
It's alive, love, look. Where's babe? Love, it's moving. Make sure it doesn't die, okay? It's a little bear.
Died?
No, it's still moving.
No, it's dead now.
No, it's still moving, see?
Why are you trying to kill him?
Why would I
trying
try
to
kill him,
save
baby?
him.
I'm trying to pick him up. Get him on the paper. And try to put him back
I
in
just
his
saw a
bird nest.
bird on the ceiling.
Yeah.
I think he's the one that pushed the little bird.
It's tripping.
Can we keep him?
Huh?
Can we
Babe,
keep him?
can we keep him?
What do you mean you can't keep him?
Can we like feed him and then raise him as an art?
Oh, the bird nest is right there.
Yes.
Oh, I see it.
Where's he gonna die? Maybe we could try to put him.
Can we please keep him?
Wait. He needs his bread.
Just imagine all the possibilities.
I don't want the birdie to die.
I know, we're gonna try to put him back in his nest.
Gosh. This is
I'm
insane.
sorry.
Why would the parents kill us? Maybe
Because
they
I
were doing
see
you a
their
favor.
face.
Come on, birdie, gonna fall.
Let me see. I want to see the birdie.
Let's put him in here.
Be gentle. So fragile.
Look, his arms broke.
Oh,
Come on. He's a creepy birdie.
someone.
Don't mess with him. Make sure he doesn't fall by knocking off the corner.
All right. I could just eat him up. Stop.
Don't eat him.
I could just eat him up.
Don't eat him.
I'm gonna cook him.
Don't.
Look at it's flapping. It's trying to flap.
And I see the eye. I'm gonna go with Babe. Babe. I see that pretty.
It's okay, little birdie. You're safe. That looks like a vulture. Whoa. Oh, I see the lungs. It's okay, little birdie. You're in good hands. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry
You
up.
got his ladder.
Oh.
Wait, is he dead?
No, he's moving.
Thank you.
Hopefully we can retreat him back to his nest.
You don't like bread?
He has to drink milk.
I thought all birdies like bread.
It's a baby. They eat like worms and shit.
Yeah, they can't eat. Like, do I pick the bowl up?
No, that's it.
Wait, can I pick it up?
Look at the bird. Imagine if it just died right on the spot. Oh, I can see the eyes. Oh my gosh.
I'm sorry for you, birdies.
It's okay, little birdie. Ow, you scared me.
Babe, do we come yet?
Wait, not yet. Stop.
Babe.
I'm so sorry that you fell. I'm trying to give it some air. It might be so hot.
Babe, hop in the car when it's time.
Okay. Oh, you can see the lungs breathing. I think it's trying not to escape. So
Oh, I feel the vibration. Did you honk it? It's time.
No, ask your mom. Ask her to chat GPT. Hey, come here. Ask her to chat GPT if a bird falls out of its nest and if a human puts it back, will it be okay?
I feel so bad.
Did you touch the bird at all? Like the skin? Okay, put this bird up. Tie it up for me so it doesn't. My hands are big, so I don't know.
I saw them moving a couple of times.
Some water in there for you. Well, his arm looks like it's broken though.
It could be.
This arm looks broken. He messed up like that. Yeah, he's broke.
I don't know how he's gonna recover.
You can't do it, maybe that's your phone.
Is it in there?
Yeah.
Is it alive?
Yeah, it's live.
Come here. Look, hold on.
He was chirping and shit too.
Little Stinksy.
I think his arms broke. I already touched it though, like putting it on the paper to get it up off the ground.
Oh my, what happened to your ear? It's peeling.
It's just a salt patch.
What did they fix?
You can't touch him. I mean, you're not gonna go 2 feet in the air. Hold it. Don't drop it.
Did you put water in here? Did you put water?
I put a little bit of water. I'm not sure if you put water, but anyways,
Oh my, Zion! Shh. I need to walk.
well,
Careful, just be still, be still.
you don't have right
Because the
shoes
more
on.
you
How you
move,
gonna go?
The more its heart will beat because it's in a different place. place it's supposed to be. It's
So-
never experienced nothing like this.
Saw very seldom.
So try to be as still as possible.
Before we leave, you need to change shoes.
Chop, chop.
Don't get scared if it moves, it would drop it.
Yeah, please.
It's gonna fly.
No, his wing is broken.
He can't fly yet, baby.
His little fetus.
It looks like a butterfly wing. Oh, he was chirping. Birdie, you'll be okay. Son, he don't like it
They say don't touch it
How do you know
because he's moving.
No, I said that's an old wife, so
You
but you never
see?
know. So just,
He don't like being with curves.
so it must have flopped out.
Yeah, that's all.
It probably fell.
You don't want to put another one on, you good?
Yeah, I'm going to touch it with hand.
Careful.
Look, Boogie.
Baby Birdie.
See it?
Yeah, I see it. Why is it dead?
It's not dead.
What are you guys doing with
We're
it?
about to put it back in his nest.
Oh, my darling. Oh, my beautiful darling. Yeah, you are my darling.
Whoa.
Beautiful darling.
Let's name him Jeff.
My name's Jeff.
Wait, let's name him. Wait, is it a she?
We don't know.
Just say a little prayer for it. Say a little prayer for it, and then we'll put it back.
Lord, please help him to be safe and sound.
I want to name it Jack.
Yeah.
Name him Zion Jr.
No, Jack. I'm naming him Jack. Oh, I see his clothes. It's okay, Barty. You'll be back soon. I'm scared for the fella. Dad, I'll hold the ladder down. This might be the end for us. Well, for Babe. This might be the end for Babe.
She means the end for me. Let's call him
Jeff.
Ellie and Ness.
Yeah.
INS.
Elliot Ness.
Yeah.
What?
Wait, I'll hold it.
Okay, once I climb up there,
Let's call him Kit Kat.
listen, once I get up there, you guys both, or hold it like this. Like if you go like this, put pressure on it, okay?
Come on, Zion,
Go to the other
hold
side?
it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Lord, please don't let this thing snap.
Oh no, babe. Don't do it. Babe,
No, whip
babe,
it
stop
off
it.
him.
Babe, stop it.
Baby, that's fine.
I'm
You guys
holding.
just hold it so it don't wiggle.
Zion, you're wiggling.
No, I'm not.
You guys are fine. We're good. Love, stop. I need complete patience. So I can put him back, okay?
Lord, please don't help me. Please don't make my dad die. Please don't make my dad die, please.
That's it.
It's a bumblebee. Don't hold it. Zion, hold it. Don't care about bumblebees.
So, guys, you just hopefully save the birdie.
Dad to die.
Baby, we're not done. Worst thing that would happen is I would fall and probably break something, but we're good. But look what you guys did. Saved the birdie. You put it back. Hopefully now it survived.
I'm a hero.
Hopefully now it survived. And you guys got.
Hopefully, his nickname's called. His nickname's gonna be Kit Kat because he broke his wing. Well, guys, we just saved a birdie.